Hey, it's Dalton TDM here, and today I have my friends here, and it's Lily, and she does, and I have Marley, and today.
You never showed at me.
There. Okay, and today we are going to do a challenge. This challenge is a 4-year-old faster than a 9-year-old? Let's do the challenge. Let's go with the 6-year-old. God. Let's go with the challenge. Now, on your marks, get ready, steady, go. Wait,
what's the challenge?
Wait, ready, set. You guys run. All right. So, no, wait, not yet. All right. So it's gonna be like this. Yeah, whoever gets the most first wins. All right. This is called the Dalton TDM Speed Challenge. Ready, set, go.
She went before me.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, now this time we're going farther. When I say go, we're gonna go. All right. Ready, set, go. It was a tie. Yeah.
I was jogging.
It was literally a tie. All right, we're going to do it again. All right. People who are watching right now, we're going to do it again. Wait, okay, let's go. All right, so
Don't go. Just say go.
2 wins for Lily, 2 wins for Marley. This is the last. This is final countdown. Oh. Okay, now go back.
I thought he was supposed to say it. I thought you were supposed to say it.
What? Technical difficulties. Okay, we'll see what's happening over here with the contestants.
Oh, do we have to catch Shadow?
How do you like winning?
Good.
All right, let's see the dog chasing challenge. Let's go. Wow, this is gonna be cool. His name is Shadow the Talking Dog. He's really dumb like this. And he has a weird imagination. Oh yeah, Shadow the Talking Dog.